Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 slow keyboard response problem. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this first of all, the first method is that going to your start menu and go to your settings of your Windows. Go to your accessibility options, scroll down and click on a keyboard. After that, turn off filter keys. Turn off it and it's close it. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that in the search box type a control panel. Open up control panel. After that, click on a keyboard and make sure that repeat rate first of all slow down and then fast it. After that, click on apply and OK button. After that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method, that in the search box type a device manager. Open a device manager. After that, select a keyboard and expand it. Select a keyboard, right click, click on update driver. Click on a browse my computer from drivers. Click on let me pick from a list available driver on my computer. Select a driver. Click on a next. After that, close it. Close it. And after doing this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager. Open a device manager. After that, select a keyboard and expand it. Select a driver, right click and uninstall the device. After uninstalling the device, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.